Hello everyone, welcome to this special English lesson. Today is not just about grammar or vocabulary. Today, I want to tell you a story. My story. How I learned English all by myself. I want you to know that if I did it, you can too, but before I tell you this story, I want to speak to you honestly. From the heart, you will not just watch my journey, you will feel it because I was just like you. In the beginning, I knew almost nothing. When I first started learning English, I only knew a few words just like hello, thank you, and goodbye. I couldn't speak, I couldn't understand, and I felt very shy. I thought, English is too hard, I'll never speak it. But then I changed my mindset. I said, I don't need to be perfect, I just need to start. So I started small. 2. My simple daily routine. I didn't have money for courses, I didn't have a teacher, but I had motivation. Here's what I did every day. Listening to music in English, I chose slow songs, looked for lyrics, and sang along. Watching movies and series in English with subtitles, I paused, repeated lines, and copied pronunciation. Reading simple books, children's books, and short stories. Repeating phrases out loud, I practiced speaking to myself in the mirror. Writing a few lines every day in a notebook, how I felt, what I did, or new words I learned. 3. The power of mistakes. I made many mistakes. I said the wrong words. I used the wrong tenses. People laugh sometimes. But I didn't stop. Why? Because every mistake is a lesson. Mistakes mean you are trying. And trying is how we grow. I never said, I can't. I said, I'm learning. 4. Staying motivated. There were days I felt tired. There were days I wanted to quit. But I remembered why I started. I wanted to travel. I wanted to make international friends. I wanted to get a better job. I wanted to understand the world. I kept going, one word at a time, one sentence at a time, day by day. 5. You can do it too. Today, I can speak English. I'm not perfect, but I'm confident, and you can be too. Here's my advice for you. 1. Start now. Don't wait to be ready, just begin. 2. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. 3. Use English. Listen, speak, read, write every day. 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They are part of learning. 5. Believe in yourself. You are smart. You are strong. You can do this. Learning English changed my life. It opened doors for me. It gave me confidence. It gave me freedom. If I can do it, so can you. This is your time. So let's learn together. Let's grow. Let's speak English, one step at a time. Thank you for listening.